Welcome back to another unboxing. Today I have a very exciting unboxing. It's the Filco Majestouch 2 Ninja. It's got a different layout for the printing of the keycaps. If you're looking at it from the top, it actually looks like it's blank, but it's actually printed on the front. So let's unbox it and let's take a look at it. So just real quick look around the box, giving you the dimensions, blah blah blah. So let's have a look at this tag here. So it's FKBN104M EFB2. So the body color is black, key arrangement is US ASCII 104. So this isn't a 10 keyless, this is just the full-size keyboard. This one features NKRO rollover with the Cherry MX brown key switches, and like I said again, the printing position is front face. So this is what makes it the Ninja, the printing. So let's take a look at it. Alright. So just looks like a user's manual. Not very much English. Looks like it's like pretty much Japanese and yeah, can't read it. Alright, so start out with this USB to PS2 adapter. So this is going to be essential for the N key rollover, and if not, if you're using just USB, you're limited to 6 key rollover. Alright, so it's nice that they did include a plastic dust shield or dust cover, so when you're not typing or anything, that you can just lay it over and it doesn't get dust on it. Alright, let's just put this off to the side for now. Alright, and let's take the keyboard out. Alright. Oh, very nice. So they included some extra keys and a key puller. So let me put this box off to the side. Alright. So let's lay that down like that. So they included 2 flat Windows keys instead of the bubble here. And they also included an extra key puller. Very nice. Okay, so on to the keyboard. So as you can see here, that if you go like this, and if you look at it from above, that the keys look blank. But if you go like this, you can see the lettering of the keycaps, which is very, very cool. So it gives you the otaku look, but if you need to look at your keys on what you're typing at times, you can actually just look at what you're typing, because the printing is there. So like I said, this is the full size. It has the 10 key right here. And let me just do a side-by-side comparison. So that would be the size difference, just obviously the 10 key. Alright, so I'll just do a quick typing test. Alright, so I do hear some pinging of the keyboard, but it's not quite noticeable. I mean, it is the slightest amount noticeable, but it doesn't bother me. Alright, it seems as though like the large keys here, that they're making some squeaking noises, so I will have to lubricate these, unfortunately. Alright, and as a bonus, I got the Filco Accessory Pack 2, is what they call it. So So it's basically just extra keycaps and a key puller. I have like 5 of these already. Okay, not really 5, but like a lot. Alright, so let's open this up. So it looks like you have yellow WASD keys. A couple of different escape keys here. So you got red, you got 2 reds, a white, and a black. And these are just blank Windows keys if you want to replace this one or this one, which I probably will end up doing anyways. And then you have some lavender WASD keys. Alright, so let me show you how they look on the keyboard. I'm going to put on the yellow WASD keys. Alright, and that is with the yellow WASDs. Now I'm going to change the escape with a red escape key. Alright, not looking too bad. Now I'm going to change the Windows key. That's how it looks with the keycaps on. Okay, so just real quick, I want to show you the back. So this one, made in Taiwan. You got 4 large rubber feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got these flip-ups here if you want to elevate your keyboard. And they also do have rubber all the way around, so if you had these raised up, that your keyboard's not going to slide anywhere like how much you mash on it. It's going to stay put no matter what, so yep, pretty solid. And then just the good old flex test. No flex, very durable. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thanks guys, and see you guys later.